Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video I'm going to be talking more on Etsy and Shopify. So let me start by telling you what Etsy and Shopify is. Etsy is a marketplace where people come and buy stuff from different vendors. But on the other hand, Shopify is a platform where you have a domain and you have to drive your traffic to your store. So it is gonna be like a brand, it's gonna be like owned by you but not a marketplace. Does that make any sense? If you're starting a business, I don't know what platform to sell on, with this you'll be able to know where to start on, like what platform to sell whatever you want to sell. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So today I will be telling you guys the pros and cons of each platform, Etsy and Shopify, because those are the platform I have used. I think I have used some other platform which I cannot remember their names, and I did not like them. I love Shopify more than any other platform, any other website platform or whatever. But in the future I'm still gonna use Shopify because I love Shopify. Shopify is my like to go spot for website. I know how to create website on Shopify. If you guys want a video on how to create a website on Shopify, let me know. I got y'all. I can definitely create a website, a good website. So but anyways, this video is about Etsy and Shopify. This video is gonna be fast. It's gonna be so like to the point, and I don't want to waste your time. So let's talk about their fees. So with Shopify, they have three plans. They have the basic, which is for individual and small business. So for the basic, it is $39 per month. And they have the Shopify, which is for small business, and that one is $105 a month. And they have the advanced, which is $399 a month, and that one is meant for medium to large businesses. So with these three plans, they have different amounts of fees that you pay. And for the basic, you get to pay 2.9% and plus 30 cents. So that is in person. That is online, but in person you get to pay 2.7% without the 30 cents. So that's for the basic. And for the Shopify, you get to pay 2.6% plus 30 cents, and you get to pay, that is for the online transactions. But the in-person, you get to pay 2.6% without the 30 cents. And for the advance, you get to pay 2.4% of your sales plus 30 cents for the online transactions. But the in-person, you get to pay 2.4%. That's it. So with Shopify, you get to pay all those fees, but have that in mind that with those fees, those fees are meant for any sales that you have. One thing I want you to have in mind is that besides that amount, you have to be paying a monthly amount, which is what I mentioned, the $39 per month. If you want to go annual, it's gonna be cheaper. The Shopify package is gonna be $105, and the advanced is gonna be $399. So basically $400 per month. That is a lot of money. But that is for medium to large businesses. So when we talk about Etsy, let's talk about the fees on Etsy. I have written it down so I don't forget. So for Etsy, the fees on Etsy, I'm gonna have to look at my little cheat sheet here so I can make sure I remember everything. So their listing fee is 20 cents per listing, and you pay transaction fees, which is 6.5%, and payment processing fee is 3% of the total, including shipping plus tax. And on that you pay 25 cents. So you can tell that Etsy, the fees is a lot compared to Shopify. It's a give or take situation. So you get to know why I say it's a give and take situation when I finish telling you the pros and cons of each of them. So now let's talk about the marketing situation. For Shopify, you have to drive your own traffic to Shopify. Basically, with Shopify, they don't do any marketing for you. You have to do your own marketing. For Etsy, you have an organic traffic, which is you they'll bring in the customer for you, and you don't have to do nothing but just list your item. Make sure you have the right tags, make sure you have the right description so that customers will be able to find you. And another thing with Etsy, they help you with ads, and they don't charge you for ads until you get sales. So that's one great thing with Etsy, which I love. And I'm like, some people are like, the money for the ads is a lot. Like for me, they charge me $15, which I say it's okay for that, for them to charge me $15, because without that sales, I will not get that extra money, because after they take out their $15, I get some little money out of it. So I'm okay with it. I'm not selfish. So in my opinion, I love the fact that they do the marketing for me, they do the ads for me. But if I'm on Shopify, I'll have to do my own ads myself, go on Facebook ads and all of that. That is driving me nuts, because I try the Facebook ads. Yo, you'll be spending money while things are going on, like you'll be spending money daily, whatever, and sometimes you don't even get no sales. So that's one thing that I do not like about Shopify. But for the fees, they are really good with the fees. So you guys already know when I say it's a give or take situation. Yes, that's the reason why Etsy charge a lot for their fees, and they are worth it. So another point that Etsy help you with your sales tax. You don't even get to file no sales tax in your state. Etsy take care of everything. All the sales tax that your customer get to pay, you don't even get that money. So I don't have to worry about it, because Etsy file the sales tax for me. I don't have to do that. But Shopify, because of the sale, I don't know if they do that. I don't think they do that for us, because one thing with me, when I had Shopify, I had to cancel sales tax, because I don't want to have to file it. I don't want to have to go through all of that, because my business was still new. I was so confused, so I did not want to go do the sales tax. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing it. I don't want to charge nobody no sales tax, so I don't have to file. But that was wrong. That was definitely wrong. So when I got to know that with Etsy I don't have to do all of that, I'm like, you guys got me. So that's the reason why I had to cancel my Shopify store, because I cannot do the sales tax. And besides that, I am not good with marketing. So that's the number one reason why I decided, you know what, I'm not gonna be driving. I don't have time to be doing marketing. I really don't have time for that, because I have to drive sales customers into my store, and I don't have that time. That traffic that I need, I don't have time to drive it. So that's number one reason why. Those are the two reasons why I had to close my store. But I love Shopify. It's a great place. It's great for those that are trying to have a brand. So another point might going to be that with Shopify, you will not have to worry about somebody closing down your store without your permission, somebody messing with just so many things going on. You don't have to worry about your store being shut down due to something that you did that you don't even know you did, because that is yours and nobody has to question you on nothing. But you know that you have to do the right thing. So but with Etsy, you can get shut down at any time. Your faith is in the hands of Etsy. One thing is, if you don't know what you're supposed, how to list, how to use the right words, like when it has to do infringement and all of that, if you don't know much about it and you use the wrong photos or whatever, Etsy is gonna shut you down. But with Shopify, you have a chance to adjust, do whatever adjustments you need to do. Sometimes you get flagged and they're gonna send you a message to make an adjustment. So that's the good part about Shopify. You get that chance to do it. But with Etsy, you don't. They just like boom, shut you down or take down the listing. So that's the good part about Shopify. You get a chance to fix that problem.
So the second to the last point is on Shopify, you do not have to worry about competitors and all of that stuff. But on Etsy, you have to worry about competitors, because it's a marketplace with a lot of vendors that have the same product as you have. So you have to compete with them basically. But with Shopify, it's all the way you, and you don't have to worry about that. So that's one thing I love about Shopify. So you guys can see this whole thing, it's a give or take situation. So You have some part, something that is good about Shopify and something that is not. So it's a give or take situation basically.
And the last thing I'm gonna talk about is it's gonna be that if you're trying to have a brand with your business, I would say Shopify is a route to go, because you will have a name, you have a domain name, and people can go to certain website like lalacreativedesigns.com. But with Etsy, you have to call your Etsy name. It's not like a special domain for you. So with Etsy, you don't get a domain. With Shopify, you get a domain. Does that make any sense? So, but anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to bring this up. I just wanted to share this with you guys, for those of you that are struggling, that are trying to start your business, to tell you the pros and cons of each of the platform. I hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, give me thumbs up, share this video with somebody you think will need this information. I hope to see you in my next video. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's all make it happen. Bye bye.